Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's been a rather slow start to the day.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Oh, it's Saturday.
It's not Saturday, it's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
What are we doing today?
See Matthew.
We're going to go and see your friend Matthew.
And
Giving him his present.
that is Matthew got the present.
We've got a present for Matthew, that's right.
I got you.
We've got to brush our teeth first. Yeah, it's been a bit of a slow start. Didn't know if we were going to make it out today. Ruben, can you wait for Mama? Ruben didn't go to bed till almost 9 o'clock last night, and normal bedtime is like 7, half 7 at the latest. It was just he kept on coughing. But yeah, about 9:15, 9 o'clock he finally gave up and went to bed. And then at 1:20 we got up again. And that was hard, and it was like over 2 hours before we went back to sleep. And I was like, there's no way we're going out today. He's feeling too poorly. He was lots of coughing and very tearful. And then this morning he's woken up like last night never happened. It's absolutely fine. I mean, the occasional cough, but absolutely fine. It was like, it was just a blip. We're fine. Mama's tired. Ruben's great. But yeah. So, been pottering around, did a bit of editing, washing Ruben's bedding, so I can put his Christmas bedding on. I'll probably do ours tomorrow, put Christmas bedding on, or the new Christmas bedding on. No, we don't need sprinkles.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay, good manners, but we don't need sprinkles.
Oh, it's okay.
But yeah, we need to get ready, get our stuff together. Cab's booked. Hopefully next time I see you, I'll look a little bit more put together. Well, as put together as I ever do. No, we're not taking your fancy dress bag. Dressed. Kind of ready to go. Kind of, not really, but we're going.
Are you tomorrow?
Oh, yeah, I am.
Oh, you're walking too hard. You're walking too hard. Yeah.
You got the welly dogs.
Have we gone over together?
Oh, I can't do it. I've got too many bags and... Right, come here. I've got one leg on the other side. Alright?
And we're home, and I don't think I recorded anything. Ruben very much enjoyed the taxis. So yeah, met up with Sarah and Matthew. The boys exchanged presents, the mamas exchanged cards, had some lunch, picked some bits up. Missed all the rain. It poured down with rain all morning, so Ruben wore wellies. Didn't you? You wore your wellies, but there was no puddles because the rain had stopped.
Yes,
And literally we were just getting back in the house and it started spitting again. So you're tired. It's too late for a nap now.
Sorry.
You have to say sorry. I'm the one that's not allowing you to nap. But yeah. Lovely catch up. My hair, it looks atrocious. So now I was trying to explain to Ruben he can't open that present. He's got to wait a week. Yeah. Need a coffee. Oh! And, do you want to watch? What do you want to do?
Do the cake.
You want a cake?
Yes.
You had a cake at lunchtime. You want some apple?
No.
No.
With wipes. And with apples.
You want some apple? Okay, thought so. So I'm going to cut up Ruben some apple. Have a coffee. Hello. I can't remember the last thing I said to a camera. But it is late. I have fed, bathed and bed a Ruben. Now it's time to pick up his carnage from this afternoon and get the tea on. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But yeah, gotta tidy up and cook some tea. And it's tea time, and tonight we have got gammon with a cheesy mustardy thing on it, some crispy potatoes, peas and eggs that have been overdone, I'm afraid, and a split one. But yeah, that is tonight's tea.
But they add the food.
You're wearing your blue pyjamas. Good morning.
Oh my.
Happy... What day is it? It is Wednesday.
That's the best day.
It's Wednesday. It's not Christmas morning, is it? No.
That's
No, it's not Christmas morning.
a Christmas morning.
Every morning. Is it Christmas morning? Because we don't open presents until Christmas morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're all doing well. I have finally washed my hair. So it's clean but flat. Didn't end the vlog last night. Had a little bit of drama. No, that is for Auntie Nikki.
Yes.
Little bit of drama last night. At some point yesterday, a delivery driver decided to put, rather than put a parcel in the storage box we've got in the front porch, they opened the gate and put it out the back. Didn't realise. And obviously yesterday we were home all afternoon, and Darwin and Gilly were in and out the garden all day. And then after tea last night, the boys went out. Only Darwin came back. Gilly had found his way out. They had not shut the gate properly. So we had to go and hunt the dog in the dark, which was fun. Found Gilly not that far away actually, crying, sat next to one of our neighbours' vans. He's not hurt, so I'm kind of assuming he kind of chased cat or something down there, then realised he didn't know how to get home because he's not that bright. Ruben Beach, no thank you. No thank you. It's alright. So yeah, that was a bit of a drama. Didn't vlog it because we're not those people. You know how like you see the proper vloggers, the proper boobs. Can we stop touching? Who are like, oh my god, my house is on fire, so I'm going to vlog it. No, it was like, it's an emergency. Gilly's out. He's got no collar on because he'd been bathed. And we tend to only put their collars on when it's walk time. Because Gilly Houdini's out of his anyway. So yeah, did not vlog it. I just kind of went and dealt with it and prayed to the gods that he hadn't run out in front of a car. Luckily, it's very quiet in our little cul-de-sac, and he'd only gone over to the next little cul-de-sac, but could have been worse. So that was last night. Oh, and wrapped some presents that are being picked up today. Plan of today, my friend Nikki is coming over with our other friend's little girl. Nikki's children are not grown up, but they're like secondary, college and an adult. She's got 3, but she looks after our friend's little girl a couple of days a week while she's at work. So she's coming over for a chat. She's also bringing a little girl for Ruben to play with, so that'd be sweet. But I need to do some coffee and some breakfast and some tidying because I have the world's smallest house, and all we did yesterday was cuddle and play toys, and somehow the house is a state again. Right, coffee, breakfast, go. Okay, everybody is fed, watered and dressed. I'm just boiling the kettle to warm up the teapot. The dishes aren't done, but Nikki's not the kind of friend that cares. She's that friend that'd be like, there's vomit in your hair and she'd still tell you, you're beautiful. I will start the dishes, but if they're not completed by she gets here. We're not that kind of friend. We're the kind of friends that is like, you know, haven't put a bra on. Very comfortable with one another. But yeah, I have put a bra on. But do you know what I mean? It's that kind of friend. When I was working part-time, she'd come over every Friday, and there'd be days we'd still be in pyjamas, and it was just, she'd just nip over in the car in her jammies, and that's how it rolled. We all need a friend like that, I suppose. But yeah, just gotta warm up the pot, ready for when she gets here, and the tea and chat can commence.
No. Toys. That's bedroom toys.
Hello. So, my friends have left.
Hello.
You want to say hello?
Okay.
We've taken our dinosaur outfit off.
I want to push the car.
You want
Push my car.
to, you gonna go play your cars?
Push the car.
You can go push the car.
My table.
Oh yeah, you've got your not got your tail on anymore because you've taken your dinosaur costume off. So my friend Nikki came over, and I was just thinking it was going to be her and our mutual friend's little girl, who she looks after on a Tuesday and a Wednesday. Well, her mama is at work, but she brought 2 of hers as well, which is lovely for Ruben because he adores her children. That thing, they're that bit older, and they're like, they don't really want to play, but they play. They play for Ruben's sake. But yeah, it was lovely. Got rid of some presents. They brought presents. But right, time to make Ruben some lunch. And clean up all the toys. I think it's fair to say that little man is tired. He's got a snack plate there. It's a while since I last vlogged. He had lunch. We ran around, played Lego, picked up majority of the toys, and he's there with his snack plate untouched. We have a tired boy on our hands. Let's hope that means an easy bedtime. And it's tea time, and tonight we've got chicken Kiev. One is quite a bit smaller than the other. Baby potatoes done with garlic butter, and green beans, baby corn, broccoli and carrots. So yeah, that's tonight's tea.